A warning is spreading through developer communities about a critical deadline. On April 24, 2026, GitHub will flip a switch that allows them to use your Copilot activity to train their AI models. This isn't just about public code. The warning says this includes interaction data from your most sensitive private repositories. The policy is opt-out, not opt-in. So, it is enabled by default and the burden is on you to protect your code. Today, I'll show you exactly what this change means and the setting you need to turn off right now. Let's get this disabled. First, log into your GitHub account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left-hand menu, find Copilot option. Click this arrow to expand. Click on Features. Look for the subsection labeled Privacy. Here, you will find the setting Allow GitHub to use my data for AI model training. And if you read it, this says Allow GitHub to collect and use my inputs, outputs, which indirectly means your activity to train AI models. By default, this setting is enabled. You must click the toggle or drop-down menu next to it and set it to disabled. That's it. Your choice is saved. GitHub will no longer collect your Copilot interaction data for AI training. However, you must verify this for yourself. If you have multiple GitHub accounts, you need to repeat this process for each one. Don't assume you are protected. Go check the setting now. To recap, starting April 24, 2026, GitHub will use your Copilot interaction data from private repos to train its AI by default. The only way to stop it is to manually disable data collection in your Copilot privacy settings. This isn't about being for or against AI. It's about consent and the expectation that private work remains private. The burden is now on individual developers to be vigilant. If this was helpful, hit the like button so more developers see this before the deadline. What are your thoughts on this policy change? Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you soon.